Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to compare two variables. I am declaring a variable A. I ask the user to enter the first value. Enter the first value. So here the input statement will display enter the first value in the console. When user enter the value, will receive it as a string and the int function convert it into an integer and store it in the variable A. Likewise, B equal to I am performing the same function int of input of enter the second value. Now the value entered by the user is obtained as a string by the input statement and converted into an integer by using int function and store it in the variable B. Now we are having a values for the two variable A and B. Now I am going to compare A and B by using simple if statement. If A greater than B colon. If the condition is true, A greater than B is a condition followed by a colon. Condition is true. I am printing print A is big. So if A greater than B, the condition is true. The value of A is greater than B, then the statement. So here I am giving an indentation because the indentation decides the scope. The statement which is under the scope of the if block. If the condition is true, the if block will get executed. Otherwise, it will get omitted. The control will transfer to the next statement after the if block. Now I am checking if B greater than A. I am printing print B is big. The second if statement, check the condition. If B greater than A, if the condition is true, it will print the value of B followed by the string is big. Now I am checking if A equal to B colon print A comma B comma I am printing a string or equal. So now I have written three if statement for A greater than B colon. That means if A greater than B, it will print A is big. If B greater than A, it will print B is big. If A equal to B, it will print A and B are equal. So the simple if statement will execute only if the condition is true. Otherwise, the block will be skipped. Now we will execute the program and check the result. Enter the value of A. I am giving value 100. Value of B is 10. I am getting a result 100 is big because A greater than B. Now I am going to execute the program again. Now I am giving first value as a 100, the second value as a 200. Now I am getting a result 200 is a big. So the B is greater than A, that's why 200 is big. Now I am going to execute the program again. A 100 and B also 100. I am getting a result 100, 100 are equal. The two numbers are equal. So by using a simple if statement, we compare the two variables. To compare a two variable, to check A greater than B and B greater than A and A equal to B, I need a three simple if statement. This will be simplified when you using if else statement. That will be discussed later in the forthcoming videos. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.